Hi, we're a group of teachers who work hard to make lives of other teachers easier. For 14 years, we've been doing what we love, and our passion is robotics. Although robots are more and more frequently used at schools today, educators still don't have access to high quality and easy to use teaching resources or effective training. We decided to change that. In RoboCamp, together we create solutions for teachers who have some experience in conducting robotics and programming classes and need a steady supply of fresh ideas for new robot models and lesson plans. Also for those educators who are just beginning their adventure in robotics and coding. With RoboCamp, you can start right away. For you and your students, we create ample teaching resources that are easy to access and foolproof in use. We created the biggest accessible online database of multimedia lessons for robotics and coding. Every lesson includes clear step-by-step instructions and is loaded with STEM knowledge. On our platform, you will find lesson plans for various robots and robotic kits like Lego WeDo, Mindstorms, or Ozabot, together with their programming instructions, in Scratch and Python as well. So far, we have created over 150 lessons, and we're constantly adding new ones. What's important, we update them on a regular basis, so you won't have to buy a new book every year. Our lesson plans are flexible and easy to use in school. You can display them on an interactive whiteboard or with a projector, or share them directly with your students, who will then access instructions on their computers, tablets, or smartphones. All lessons are adjusted to students' age and designed to fit 45 or 90-minute time frame. It means that during just one lesson, your students will be able to create a complete functional robot. We've combined our learning content with the core curriculum requirements. We also support students with special needs. To customize the learning experience, use additional worksheets, projects of various difficulty, and an option to share the resources of your choosing. Robots are cool, and learning can be too, especially if you conduct lessons according to the 5C teaching method. Thanks to years of teaching experience, we know that students absorb knowledge best when they first have a moment to consider the science surrounding the project, then create the robot, check it thoroughly, and code so that at the end of the lesson, they can celebrate their amazing achievement. Our lessons are sorted into themed series where your students can build planes, spacecrafts, industrial machines, even galloping animals, which usually hang out in the African safari. We also create special holiday-themed lesson plans. All of these features make lessons with RoboCamp a source of happiness for students who build and code functional robots on their own. They are proud of themselves and absorb STEAM knowledge at an astounding rate. Such lessons can also be satisfying for you, teachers. Try it, because you've never had this much fun at work.